Stuck with an old Facebook page name that makes you cringe every time you see it? Maybe it's outdated, misspelled, or just plain embarrassing? Don't worry, we've all been there. But today, we're going to fix that. Let me show you how to change your Facebook page name quickly and painlessly without all the confusion. Alright, so grab your phone and open up the Facebook app. Now, if you're using an iPhone, tap the little profile icon in the bottom right. And if you're using an Android, you'll be looking for the three stacked lines in the top right corner. Right up the top, you'll spot your name. Tap the arrow next to it. Now, that's your gateway to all your pages. Find the one you want to update and then tap it like it owes you money. Now that you're on your page, hit the profile icon again, bottom right or top right, depending on your phone. Scroll down until you see the settings and privacy. Once you see it, tap it and then go into settings. Now, keep scrolling until you see page setup. That's where the magic happens. Your current page name should be right at the top. What you're going to do next is tap view on the right side. And after that, go ahead and type in your brand new, shiny, way better name. Got it just the way you want? Awesome! Tap review change. Facebook will ask for your password to confirm. And remember, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So make it count. And that's it. If you got just giving your Facebook page a fresh new identity. Clean and simple.